In this Ethereum ETH cost expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will for the most part dissect the value examples of ETH by utilizing exact dealer cordial specialized examination markers and certainly foresee the future development of the digital money in an unpretentious manner. What generally is Ethereum, ETH, known as Ether, essentially is the local digital money of Ethereum, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum basically is an open-source blockchain stage that especially upset the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of pretty savvy contracts. This second-age blockchain sort of was sent off in 2015 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Its local crypto coin, Ether, ETH, fundamentally was sent off through an especially beginning coin offering, ICO, in August 2014 in a very significant way. The by and large whole Ethereum network for the most part is powered by Ether, ETH, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The diagram of the Ethereum network basically was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin, or so they really thought. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities is in every practical sense possible platform for a few truly other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various truly decentralized applications, dApps. Accordingly, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The sort of brilliant agreements certainly are coded programs that by and large execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. These especially brilliant agreements in every way that really matters are sent and executed by means of the Ethereum Candy Machine, EVM, which certainly is genuinely huge. Ethereum will change to the evidence of stake, POS, agreement through the consolidation update, in spite of mainstream thinking. At first, the Ethereum network truly was based on the high-energy serious verification of work, POW, since its send-off, which is very critical. From 2020, the Ethereum designers by and large have started planning for the POW to POS progress, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The consolidation basically redesign most certainly is set for September 15 in a kind of large manner. After this progress, the Ether, ETH, which generally was an inflationary pretty symbolic, will explicitly change over into a deflationary token, or so they basically thought. Ethereum 24H Technicals Ethereum, ETH, positions second based on market cap and conditions of its market capitalization, which in a real sense is very critical. The outline of the Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 for the most part is especially made sense of underneath, with an essentially day-to-day time period, which by and large is very huge. In the above diagram, Ethereum, ETH, spread out a cup and in every practical sense, handle design. Cup and basically handle cost design on a securities cost outline is a specialized pointer that looks like a cup with a handle, where the cup by and large is looking like a U, and the handle truly has a genuinely slight pretty descending float, or so they in a real sense thought. The cup and most certainly handle explicitly are viewed as a bullish sign, with the right-hand side of the example ordinarily encountering lower exchanging volume, so the second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. A cup and handle basically are viewed as a bullish for the most part signal broadening an upswing, and it essentially is utilized to recognize potential chances to in every way that really matters, go long, or so they thought. A cup and handle certainly is a specialized marker where the value development of safety looks like a cup, most certainly followed by a really descending moving cost design, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. This dropper for the most part handle is really intended to especially flag a purchasing an open door to explicitly go long on security, or so they by and large thought. At the hour of examination, the cost of Ethereum, ETH, explicitly was recorded at $1,636.77 in an unpretentious manner. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ETH could truly arrive at the obstruction levels of $2,095.34 and $2,922.84, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of ETH might tumble to the help of $1,521.58 and $1,036.06 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum, ETH, opposition and backing levels. The graph given beneath clarifies the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Ethereum, ETH, in 2023 in an extremely significant way. The specialized examination pointers by and large like pretty relative volume, RVOL, moving kind of normal, MAMA, and sort of relative strength file, RSI, of Bitcoin, ETH, in every way that really matters, are displayed in the graph beneath, or so they thought. In the underneath graph, we explicitly break down the strength and unpredictability of Ethereum, ETH, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, genuinely normal directional list, ADX, and relative unpredictability file, RVI, in an unobtrusive way. From the above graph, we can essentially decipher that the value activity of ETH is like that of BTC. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH likewise increments or diminishes separately, showing that since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a possible platform for certainly a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various by and large decentralized applications, dApps, which is genuinely huge. In the event that Ethereum, ETH, secures itself as a very wise interest in 2023, this year would explicitly be positive for the digital currency, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. All in all, the bullish Ethereum, ETH cost expectation for 2023 generally is $2,303.11 relatively, assuming ominous feeling generally is set off. The negative Ethereum, ETH cost expectation for 2023 most certainly is $1,375.65, so Ethereum 24H Technicals Ethereum, ETH, positions second based on market cap and conditions of its market capitalization, or so they really thought. In the event that the market energy and financial backers feeling decidedly raises, Ethereum, ETH, could especially hit $3,000, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Besides, with future redesigns and progressions in the Ethereum biological system, ETH could especially outperform its really current all-time essentially high, ETH, of $4,891.70, which in a real sense is very critical. Furthermore, markets new ETH, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Fact 1, which basically is genuinely critical. What explicitly is Ethereum, ETH, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Ethereum or Ether, ETH, is the truly local cryptographic money of Ethereum, which certainly is genuinely huge. Ethereum in every practical sense is a second-age blockchain stage that sent off in 2015 in an unobtrusive manner. Ether, ETH, basically was sent off in 2014, for the most part further appearance how in the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to the help of $1,521.58 and $1,036.06, or so they certainly thought. 2. Where might you at any point fundamentally purchase Ethereum, ETH, in an all things considered, significant way? Brokers can exchange Ethereum, ETH, on the accompanying digital currency trades like Binance, Weex, OKX, Bank, and Bybit in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 3. By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will Ethereum, ETH, record another ETH soon, which most certainly is very huge? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Ethereum stage, Ethereum, ETH, certainly has a sort of high chance of arriving at its